In the Files page, you can see all the documents that you've uploaded to this file. I can upload more documents by clicking Upload Document, and if I want to be really organized, I can do so by clicking New Folder. Now I can move my estimates into this folder by dragging and dropping. Double-click on a folder to open it up, and view the PDF by double-clicking. You can see the entire document here, and you can also see the metadata on the right-hand side. And of course, you can download the document by clicking Download. Another way to move your documents is by clicking the 3 circles to the right and selecting Move to Folder. And you'll see the folders available. To delete a folder or document, click the 3 circles and select Delete. And that's how to use the Files page.